Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to tackle a really serious and, frankly, scary topic, the digital arrest scam. But don't worry, by the time we're done here, you'll know exactly what this is and how to protect yourself from it.
Okay, just imagine this for a second. Your phone rings, it's a video call. You answer, and there's a person on screen dressed in a police uniform. They tell you you're under arrest and that you absolutely cannot hang up. It's a nightmare scenario, right? And it's happening to people every single day. So the big question is, what on earth do you do? All right, first things first, we've got to break down exactly what this scam is. Because to beat it, you have to understand it. You have to know what you're up against, and maybe more importantly, what you're not up against. So what even is a digital arrest? Let me be crystal clear about this. It's a completely made-up term. It has no legal meaning. It is not a real thing under Indian law. It's just a phrase scammers invented to sound official and scare you into giving them money. It is 100% of the time a total scam. So, how do they create that sense of panic? Well, they throw the most serious-sounding accusations they can think of at you. Stuff like money laundering, drug trafficking, or identity theft. Their entire goal is to shock you, to make you so scared you can't think straight. And that's when they make their move. They demand you pay them right now to make it all just disappear. So here's the bottom line. If you remember nothing else, remember this. The second you hear the words digital arrest, you know exactly what's going on. It's not a legal procedure, it's cyber extortion. Period. There are absolutely no exceptions. Okay, now let's arm ourselves with the truth to fight their lies. We're going to dive into the actual legal facts that prove why a digital arrest isn't just a scam, it's a legal impossibility here in India. Just look at the difference here. It's night and day. A real arrest means an officer is physically there with you, you're told what the charges are, you have a right to a lawyer, and you have to be taken before a magistrate. The fake digital arrest, it's the complete opposite. It happens over a video call, they try to isolate you, they forbid you from getting legal advice, and it all boils down to them demanding money. It's a total sham. And this right here? This is your legal shield. These are your constitutional rights. For an arrest to be valid, an officer must be physically present and follow due process. Anything that happens over WhatsApp or Zoom is, by its very definition, illegal and unconstitutional. It carries zero legal weight. Knowing the law is a huge step, but we also need to get inside their heads and understand the psychological tricks these criminals are using. So let's open up their playbook. You know, these scammers are pretty good at playing mind games. They use something called authority bias by pretending to be high-ranking officials. They create intense urgency with threats like, pay now, or you're going to jail tonight. They try to isolate you, demanding you stay on the call and not talk to anyone. And all the while, they just keep piling on the fear. But once you can see these tactics for what they are, they lose all their power over you. So now you can spot their tricks. Let's move on to your defense. This is your legal shield, the actual laws that are in place to protect you from this kind of manipulation. The key thing to know is that you are not alone in this fight. The law is firmly on your side. You have the Indian Penal Code, soon to be the BNS, which protects you from cheating and extortion. You've got the IT Act for cyber fraud. And most importantly, the Constitution of India itself protects your liberty. The system is there to back you up. And that brings us to what might be the most crucial part of this whole conversation, your action plan. If this ever happens to you or to someone you know, this is exactly what you need to do. Take a close look at this because it's pretty simple. On the left, what you should do. Hang up the call immediately. Then report it and save any evidence you have, like screenshots or phone numbers. And on the right, what you should not do. Do not transfer any money. Do not share personal details like OTPs or your Aadhaar number, and do not let them keep you on that call. It's simple, it's clear, and it could save you a lot of trouble. This is the number you need to commit to memory. 1930. Just 4 digits. 1930. That's the National Cyber Crime Helpline. It is your direct line to getting real official help. So let's just put it all together into 4 easy steps. 1, disconnect. Just end the call. 2, verify. Call that 1930 helpline and check if the claim is real, which it won't be. 3, report. Go online to cybercrime.gov.in and file a complaint. And 4, inform.
Let your bank know and tell your family or friends so they can support you. Disconnect, verify, report, inform. That's the plan.
And we'll end on this thought. These scams really thrive on two things, fear and ignorance. But after this, you're no longer in the dark. You have the knowledge. And remember, knowing your rights is the single best defense you have against this kind of extortion. Stay safe and stay informed.